welcome. Hello, everyone, and it's so nice to see you all. It's been great seeing you guys after break. I hope you guys had a great break. This week, we're back at Jamboard. Last week, we went over how you can use pictures to represent things using the picture logo right here. And today, we're going to talk about how you can use the text box. So what I have pulled up for you is a new slide. This one is going to be focused on the text box function, which is down here. You'll see it in orange. And I have already started the sentence stems for those kids who are either have a hard time thinking about how to start sentences or need the prompting in the mornings. And what I did, so I started with what I did this weekend was, a highlight from my weekend was, and I'm going to add one more, which says, one thing I wish had gone differently this weekend was, notice how I always add them the same way, open-ended. Now, what you would then teach your kids to do is, let's say you wanted to find out, share about your weekend. This was the prompt. And just like the other ones we've done, I would put it up there, maybe you put it on the bottom. And let's say you wanted the kids to use sentence stems. Here's what you could then teach them to do. If you click on any of the text boxes, you'll notice the 3 dots pop up right here. You would click on the 3 dots and then you see duplicate. Now, you would drag it over and then you could go in and edit. So let's say someone in your class shares a highlight from their weekend, which was playing in the snow. Now, let's say you have another student who wants to share what they did this weekend. They would, again, you would teach them, click on the 3 dots, the duplicate button, which is the 2 squares for those kids who are not reading, can't read all the letters. You would then explain to them, drag it away. Now, here's the fun thing. Let's say, this kid doesn't like orange. They wanted to do it in blue. They can change the color. They can change the size of it. Maybe they wanted to write a lot. What I did this weekend was go to the park and scoot, eat ice cream in the snow, and played Zelda on Switch, and ate cookies. It was awesome. Now notice, they might leave it like that. What you would then do is once this board has been populated, you could choose to fix the spelling, or you could choose to leave it be and have the kids know that this is a mistake judgment-free zone. And then let's say when you populate it, you have a ton of things from your class and you need to move it around. Just like we've been doing, you can drag it, you can spread it out that way. And then at the end of morning meeting, whenever you're doing this, you can then have the kids go back. You can share out some of the things that are there or have the kids volunteer to read depending on the age. This is just another way to use Jamboard and the text box function. Next week, we'll talk about the shapes, and we will then kind of discuss how could you see using Jamboard, having learned all these functions and all these features of it. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you want help implementing any of this or setting up a Jamboard. I'm happy to set up a time. Have a great day.